Turn around. Hi, Dumpling. How are you?
Now flip it. Flip it good.
Get my rope. Get rid of my oar.
Oh, roll another one, just like the other one.
Tip it back up.
Yes, dear.
Go, Peter! Woo! Yeah.
You didn't let
Climb every wheel.
He must go all up.
I think he just gets it to that part.
Oh,
and
now
then-
can help.
What's
Yeah.
that?
Now can help.
A
screw now can help.
I don't think you can push
Oh, I
on
don't
the
know.
ramp.
I don't know what the rules are.
Yeah, Harry?
Yep.
Well, let's see. What do I want to do here?